lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my purchases for the month. I think I mentioned in another video that I kind of do like purchases all at once and then I get them at the beginning of the month. So my first item that I'm unboxing, or items I should say, are from Pampered Pretties. I ordered a decal sheet and a little buffer block. So I'll show you what I got. Oh, and she always adds in a little extra something. So what I ordered was these soccer mom decals because my daughter is starting up soccer again, and I thought this would be cute to do for one of her first games. And then I got a practice freebie, which is this little cute flower design, full coverage. And then I also got a Pampered Pretties buffer block, just because I really love these and how they work on my nails. So that's what I got from Pampered Pretties. And my second item that I'm going to be unboxing is a package from 915 Aesthetics. Let me just open this up. Rachel said, "Beautiful choices, Lauren. Can't wait to see your manis." Or nails, not manis. All right, so I got a couple of colors, and I also got the dip liquids because I've been really wanting to try those out. So these are the liquids. We'll get to those in a second. So I got Violet, which is a light violet color. And I also got Hijinks. I thought these two would be really nice together. And I also got Rosewood, which I have Amaretto, and I think those two would really go nice together. So Rosewood is like a rose gold color that has a little bit of a shimmery chrome to it. And then she always sends a little thank you mint. I got the activator, the base, and the top. And as you know, because I did mention, or if maybe you don't know, I actually recently developed a gel allergy. So I'm going to have to start using dip liquids again. And keep watching because there's more unboxings coming up. The next unboxing I'm going to be doing is the Maniology Mani and Me monthly subscription box. This is my first time ordering this, so this is my first month as a subscriber. I am an ambassador for them. However, the ambassador codes do not work on these boxes, so you will not be able to use that code on the box. So the first thing that comes is a little packing slip. Then there's this little card that shows you the colors that come in this particular box. So I got the box that has 2 stamping polishes, 2 stamping plates, and an extra item, I believe. So this shows you what the collection is. It's kind of like a steampunk retro vibe. So the 2 colors are called Gas Lamp and Clockwork. And they're calling this Cogwork Chic, which is kind of cute. So it has like an instruction sheet that has some inspiration on it. And then with every first time new Mani subscription, they send a crystal clear stamper and scraper. So that's what's in here. I'm just going to go ahead and open up the tissue. And then there is this little Feed Your Soul with Your Passion sticker. And these are the colors. So I'm going to open these up. These are really nice for fall. So the first color is called Gas Lamp B480. And it's this gorgeous chocolatey copper color. It almost pulls green a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. But they call it like a chocolate brown. And it has a little bit of a metallic-y sheen to it. Then the second one is Clockwork. And it's a gorgeous like shimmery rust orange color. So I think those will look really nice together in a mani with these stamping plates, which I'll get into right now. So it comes with a stamping guide. And then this is an exclusive stamping plate. So one of them, I believe this one will be released mainline and the other one will not. So that is another thing that you pay for when you get this subscription. So you're getting the exclusivity of getting a stamping pad that is not going to be released in their mainline collection. So this, it has a bunch of like cogs on it, clocks. There's like a little skull up here, a little silhouette of a man and a couple of ladies. This is really cute. This looks like a bee of some sort. So that's one stamping plate. And then the other one, which, yeah, I think this is the one that will not be released. So this has, again, a bunch of cogs on it, but then it has other items like this little man's face that you can kind of put together or just use little bits and pieces of him separately. There's a hot air balloon, another bug bee looking decal here, a little owl head, a heart with a lock in it. Really nice. Okay. And then this is the extra item. And I actually spoiled what was coming with this because Maniology has a YouTube channel. So I looked on that and they had done an unboxing of this a couple of weeks ago that I watched. So I knew what the theme was when it was coming. This is Blaze. This is a chroming powder that's like has a glitter sheen to it. Also like a rust color. And it comes with this little applicator. So let me get this back on. I will be doing a mani with these items, so stay tuned for that. Just gonna put everything back in the box. And then I'll be back in a minute with another item. Next box I have here is my Ritzy Dips subscription box. I get this every month for the past little while now. I haven't even used my July colors yet, so I was actually planning on doing a mani with those this upcoming week, so keep an eye out for that, which will probably be before I release this video. Okay, let's see here. Zoom out a little bit if I can. There's this gorgeous little sunset sticker. Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's a car coaster. So that's the extra item. If you've seen my unboxings before, they always send an extra item with the dips. Yeah, so it's a set of like car coasters that you can put in your cup holder to protect them from getting any liquid on them. How awesome. Okay. Oh, and there's another little extra item here, a Ritzy Dips heart-shaped buffer block. Not throwing anything away. Let me just make sure that nothing else hiding out in there. And then we can get to the colors. Okay. So I actually also know what these colors are because I'm a part of the Ritzy Dip spoiler group on Facebook. So I saw Taylor do a mani with these on a live. So this one, actually, let me do this in order. I always do them out of order. SB052, which is the chunky glitter. Again, these come with a solid, a fine, and a chunky glitter. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like a rose gold glitter with some like foily shards in there. Cannot wait to use that. Perfect for the fall. Actually, I lied. I think that was, oops, I just dumped a bunch out. I think that was the fine glitter. Yeah, this is the chunky. Again, that same rose gold tone to it, just in chunkier glitters. And then SB054 is a really pale pink color to pair with those two glitters. Isn't that so gorgeous? So I'm going to be using these at some point, hopefully before the end of August is up. Stay tuned because there will be more unboxings coming up. All right, the next items I'm going to be opening up are from a new to me company called Delamars. I've seen them on Instagram and I follow them, but I've never ordered from them before. So this will be an upcoming mani that I do a review on these dips. So let's open it up here. It comes in this pretty little organza bag. The card in it that says, "Hi Lauren, thank you so much for your support. We hope you enjoy your new pretties. Can't wait to see your Delumanis. Please enjoy the sample of Slice of Happy and Prickly Pear." Cool. So this is a specific mani that I'm going to be doing, and I'm not going to tell you what the theme of it is, but I mean, you might be able to guess it from the colors and the month that we're in. So this is, and they're wrapped up, so I don't want to open them, but this is Honeycomb. And it is this gorgeous orangey fall color glitter. And then this one is Siesta, which is also like an orangey shimmer glitter. So I'm going to be pairing these two together for a mani upcoming. That's also going to be reviewing a decal company when I get those. So just going to say that, nothing more. And then she sent me these little sample bags of Prickly Pear and Slices of Happy. So how cute.